Bayelsa State Governor Dickson has charged the PDP executives and members of the state to convince the PDP faithful still in APC to return to the party. At a PDP stakeholders consultative meeting in Yenagoa, the governor told party faithful to mobilize and be ready to protect their votes at the 2019 election. Ovietime George reports.
The People's Democratic Party has held sway in Bayelsa since 1999. With Governor Dickson leading the charge, the party swept the stakes in 2015, a feat it wants to reenact in 2019 and 2020. The Bayelsa governor is unequivocal in his charge to the PDP faithful during the party's stakeholders consultative meeting.
Everywhere you go, you see what we have done with the public power and authority and resources entrusted to us. Even in a recession. Ask former Governor Silva to show any of you any hospital, any road he builds, any airport he builds, any schools, modern boarding schools, and so on. That's what governance is about. All the good people who were misled for one reason or the other to join the APC, they have already returned. Bring all of them back. Wind up the APC in Bayelsa. That's the charge I give to you all.
Grassroots mobilization and vote protection during the election are sub-themes of Governor Dickson's message.
The request to you all is to be vigilant, to watch out, and to mobilize our people also. To be ready to protect your votes, the votes of our people. It is our prayer that in 2019 general elections, we should have majority. Of course, we retain control here, and PDP should revert back to status quo ante in Jesus' name.
We want to bury APC and every other small party in Bayelsa State. When PDP comes out, nobody will come out again. It is only the carcass of APC that shall remain as far as Bayelsa State is concerned. In the next couple of days, there will be a massive tsunami-like decampment rally.
The Bayelsa governor warns against anti-party activities and calls on aspiring party faithful to embark on wide consultations before throwing their hearts into the ring. Ovietime George, TVC News, Yenagoa, Bayelsa State.